Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on the Redmi 12R. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated the DND mode. If you have this feature deactivated, it's okay. If you have maybe deactivated, just switch it off. After that you can also try to restart your app, but this is the obvious, so we can go to the next step. Okay, open the settings, then connection sharing, and choose the data usage. Now swipe down to the WhatsApp. Then remember to turn on the background data, Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, go to the apps, choose the manage apps and look for the WhatsApp again. Now make sure in the notification settings that you have activated show notifications and all of these switchers. You can also go to the additional settings in the app and make sure that you have activated high priority notifications. If you have this app info of the WhatsApp, go to the restrict data usage and enable Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you still don't have your notifications from the WhatsApp, go to the settings, connection sharing, swipe down to the reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth and just reset your network settings. Tap on the OK and look for the WhatsApp notifications again. At the last, you can try to update your system, so go to About Phone and tap on the MIUI version. If you have an update, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.